Hi, I'm Siobhan Haug. I'm a colour expert and the co-owner of Haug London House in London. Today I'm working with my beautiful client Jamie to give her a new colour that will cover her white hair but also create the soft multi-tonal long hair look that she's after. We're going to use IGORA Absolutes on the root area. Really fantastically, I can work with two different developers to deal with the different areas of grey that she has. Like most people, grey hair isn't balanced and it's not evenly distributed throughout the hair. She's a lot more concentrated here around the temple areas, but then through the parting and through the back, it's as low as 60–70%. So I'm going to work with 9% on the roots here, but 6%, 20 volume, where we've got that higher percentage of white through the temple area. We're going to go a little bit deeper here, keeping that beautiful warmth, but trying to take her away from the orange tone that just seems to keep shining through on her hair. And then through the ends, I'm going to work with a demi-permanent. So we get something that's quite luminous, quite sheer, quite light. And I've got a really nice placement idea. We're going to work with two different shades of IGORA Vibrance to work with the balayage and the highlights that are there, but to make it all look a bit more purposeful, a bit more blended, and just ultra glossy, shiny, well-conditioned hair. So now we've got a really beautiful creative placement to use what Jamie's already got, but create a much more blended, seamless balayage. Let me show you the technique. So what I've done is take two diagonal backs to the ear area, and I'm going to tone this with my lighter shade. So I basically get a face frame without having to relighten the hair. Then through the sides, I've taken this deep V-shaped parting, so we're going diagonally back towards the crown area, the lower crown area, to separate the top and the underneath. Look at all that amazing light that we've got to work with. And this is really great. Instead of having to put lightener into the hair, let's just use what we've got. So I've continued that round the other side, so you can see what this has created here. A beautiful veil that will sit over that underneath detail. I'm going to alternate between my darker shade and my lighter toner, my 646 and my 9.546. And that's going to create that lovely depth and light. Through the top, I'm going to do the same thing, but invert it and work the opposite way around. So the end result is a beautiful multi-layered effect of different tones that blend really seamlessly together. So here around the hairline, I'm going to use the existing lightener that's in the hair to create a really nice, gently illuminated face frame. So I'm working with a 9.546, which obviously, you know, her existing lightener isn't quite that light, but it's just going to give us that delicate reflective tone and shine and luminosity around the face. How is it? Gorgeous. Look at that shine and your lights. The coverage looks good too as well. And then you've got your little face frames through here, but you've got that really beautiful richness against the root. Wow. Amazing. Gorgeous. Oh, I'm so happy. Very nice. Very nice. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments. And if you want to know more, tap the link, have a look, let us know what you think.